Okay, we're going to do a demonstration of the 996E. This machine has been modified to accommodate a 3-inch hinge with a 5/8 radius and a 1/4-inch reveal. So currently this unit is set up to do the 3-inch hinge, and you can see on the controls here it's selected for 3-inch with a 6/8 door, left hand. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to press the ADP start button, and it's going to go ahead and position the door up against the appropriate stop. Currently have the latch drill, the latch bore, latch mortise, excuse me, lock bore and all that is turned off, and we're not going to run that because obviously you won't be able to see it. I'm right now turning on the tilt. This valve here allows the routers to tilt in. We had them turned off for testing. So we're going to go ahead and press the clamp button. So that is our 3-inch pocket with the 1/4-inch reveal. You got a pair of calipers or tape measure? So here is the reveal. It's right at about 255, 260. And what we did was, there's a plate here. There's another plate below it. So this plate is taken out when you go to your 3.5-inch. This plate is taken out when you go to your 4-inch, assuming that you're doing an 1 3/4 door. So if you're doing the 3-inch hinge, you take both plates out. So we're going to go ahead and run it one more time. We're going to go ahead and run it one more time. Yep. We put a little spring in the hinge, so when the screws go in, it forces the hinge leaf into the datum of the pocket. We're going to run it one more time for you, and I'm going to show you the way the stops should be reacting behind the router bar. Go ahead. So, if you notice, it was all the way on the highest step for the smallest hinge, the middle step for the 3.5, and the lowest step for the 4-inch. So I'm going to stop this video, and then we're going to do another video of the 3.5-inch.